Hi, Jonas J Dentech here. Today I'm gonna try to fix this fender on 2015 Lexus LS 460. Really nice car. It is big damage. Customer was really skeptical. He said maybe it's impossible, maybe I have to take it to a body shop, but this is an expensive paint job. It's pearl white, so I told him I'm gonna give him a try, see what I can do. Of course, I have to deal with this body line right here, also the body line on top, and I have to line up with the doors because it's way in. I'm gonna use a plunger to kind of pull it out as much as I can, and then of course try to knock it down the high spots. I'm gonna show you in the process everything that I do. When I'm gonna lift, when I'm gonna hit it down, and how I'm gonna recreate those body lines. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you all the process. Okay, after the plunger, I pulled it out, a lot of it actually. I still need a lot of work with this line. Still need to lift over here, and this line should line up. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna knock it down this one, this high spot right here, and also right here. Okay, I knocked it down this high spot right here, and I made it way smaller over here. When I'm gonna start lifting here, then I'm gonna knock it down even more. But now I wanna lock it in kind of in a place. I wanna try to lift this up, this body line, so this panel will be firm. And let's go for it. I lifted up this body line. Not all the way, just basically to get the shape of it. And now I'm gonna just go lift over here by the door, so this panel should line up perfectly and even. We'll see what's gonna happen. To fix all this part, all those scratches is kind of in my way. I can't see it exactly where I'm pushing it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna buff it out and keep working at it. This is the final product. I think it turned out really good. I think the customer's gonna be really happy. We'll find out that later. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand it, buff it, take more of those scuffs off, scratches, make it nice and shiny.
I've worked with Jonas Dentech a couple of times. This was the most challenging. When I got this dent, I went to the body shop and I was quoted about $2,000, and I thought before I pull the trigger on that, let me go back to Jonas and see what he can do. And not only did he do a beautiful job, but he saved me a lot of money along the way. I can highly recommend Jonas and Dentech. Just what I thought. Amazing. Amazing work. I highly recommend Jonas and Dentech.